Get our first view at this new layout we have for 2024. So you guys have about 15 minutes, just about 15 minutes. Take a quick look at 20.
Good competition. Everybody looks like they've had a good off-season. All right, good morning, guys. Probably wondering what all this is about. And I'm out here at Daytona, just getting some quad action. So that's what we're doing right now. Just filming some quad stuff for Gloop. You know, just a little fun thing that they're letting me do. So yeah, so we're out here doing, baby. Out here doing Daytona.
Good place to be. Could have been anywhere else.
Just such an iconic place, man. Just filmed the first practice, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Kind of overwhelming. Pretty cool though. You know, used to still do pay to come and see the quad race. I always thought it was pretty cool. Can always appreciate it, you know. But yeah. How you doing, sir? Quick fun fact, we're parked right by Josh Grant's truck and motorhome. That's crazy.
My job. She's like, wait, those pictures last night weren't you?
The magician at work.
Then she was like, they were.
Zach Decker, cool dude. Badass quad. Track where it's equal for the riders that racetrack will develop, much like this one right here. Yeah, without doubt, you're excited to see how check out Bryce Ford, Cody Ford's quad. Chad Wienen's rig. Chad Wienen over there getting ready.
Okay, the ATV guys, we have to move the transponders because we are getting low hits.
We've got the Vintage National on the track right now. We got some modern bikes lining up.
Wow, shirt all that out. Joel Edford is
Maddie B on the line for the e-bike class. No way. Maddie B on the start. Getting the start on the start. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. That's crazy. Been a whole lot of racing going on, guys. I haven't been able to film too much of the quad stuff, but the LCQs are coming up, and I'm not filming those for Gloop, but I will be filming those for the channel. So we'll get some quad clips right about now. guys, so a little bit of quad action at the legendary Daytona International Speedway. I will be at every single round of ATV Motocross this year. The next one will be in Texas sometime next month. And then I forget the rest of the schedule, but you can look it up. You can look it up. Anyways, I don't know if I'm signing out right here. Maybe I'll sign out when I get to the hotel. Maybe I'll sign out at the airport. Either way, we got some more action to film. So let me get back to it. Here with the OG Gloop, the godfather of quad media. And Zach Decker's quad, the homie. Right over there. This might be the coolest looking quad I've ever seen in my life. Cooler than the Cowies, and I'm a huge Cowie fan. I don't know why I said it like that, I'm a massive Cowie fan. But this, to me, is the coolest looking quad I've ever seen in my life. The Wonder Bread is a close second. Top 3 podium. Brandon Hogue, 3rd. Bryce Ford, 2nd. Joe Hetrick, 1st. Of course, the GOAT. All right, guys. That's actually a wrap on the day. It's actually a wrap. So, shout out to Daytona. Shout out to ATV Motocross. Shout out to Gloop, aka Rip It Up Films. Shout out to my sexy ass wife for letting me do cool shit like this. Shout out to God for making me great. And shout out to you guys for watching. I kind of want a quad now. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, if I should trade the Miata for a quad right now, let me know. Because I'll do it. I am not scared.